It's fake kills.
Original, puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Batman, me a coming, me a wanna take her.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Mayra over here, and in today's tutorial I'm gonna be showing you my updated and pretty much best routine for twist outs. This is the best product combination, so I decided to share it with you guys. I'm gonna start by prepping my scalp. I like to use the Do Grow Stimulating Hair Oil all over my scalp. I do give myself a little massage, so I can relax a little bit before I start twisting my hair.
Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel like my fantasy.
Next thing I do is I part my hair in 4 sections and I start twisting from the back to the front. I do medium size twists because I feel like if I do them too big, I don't get the curls that I like. If I do them too small, it's a lot of work for me to untwist, so I go with the medium size. For my twist outs, I'm gonna use the Tyla Wahid Curly Curl Cream, the Miel, I don't know if that's how you say it, Coil Sculpting Custard, and the Black Jamaican Castor Oil. Personally, those are the products that work the best for my hair right now, and I am totally in love with this combination. It keeps my curls intact and keep my hair moisturized and shiny and beautiful for a long time. So for my twist outs, I use the technique liquid, cream, and oil in this order. You guys don't see me spray any water because my hair it's pretty wet because I just washed my hair. You guys gonna see me spray a little bit of water because in some areas it already started to dry, but in general my hair was wet and I didn't need to put any more water. Plus I needed my hair to dry as fast as possible.
It's fake kills.
We finna have a good time, you know. Them bumbuck like them are watching. They are pretty about that. Bad man, what you say? Standard.
I make sure I comb my hair with my favorite comb in the world, and I'm gonna make sure my twists are tight enough, and then I'm gonna curl my ends with my little finger. I'm gonna like twist it around.
It's fake kills.
Original, puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Batman, me a coming, me a wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want it on the liquor. I steady sipping on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her never trust another nigga. I say she give me on the nigga.
I'm gonna do about 5 or 6 twists per section, and after I'm done with each section, I'm gonna take a towel and I'm gonna absorb the excess product, that white product that you see on your hair after you finish the twist out. And then I'm just gonna repeat the same process on each and every single section in my hair.
Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel like my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Pommy ya, say she give me pommy ya. In a yard, say she give me in a yard. Man a wine, say she give me dirty wine. Man a grind, say she give me dirty wine. Say, girls them a whining, them me grinding, I don't think so. Any man, them me looking at the think so. Girl, your body say your money while I sing so. Man a bad man a boss in a the thing so girl pon me yard, see me pon me yard. Me na pillow one, say she give me filler one. Say let me the villa one, say she give me film one. Aye. Man a one say she give me for me yard, say enter the radar. Now you they mash up the place, enter the radar. Girl you are what see me brain, the only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel like my fantasy.
Now that my hair is completely and fully dry, I'm gonna proceed to untwist my hair. I put some oil all over my hands and fingers to make sure I don't mess up with my new curls. And I'm gonna start separating every twist that I have in my head slowly and gently. You don't want to mess up and destroy all the hard work you already done.
Standard.
After untwisting all my hair, I'm gonna go ahead and start separating the hair basically without messing up my curls. When I'm done doing this, I'm gonna take a white tooth comb so I can gain back the volume that I naturally have. You don't want to comb the hair so you don't mess up with the curls that you just did, but you want to keep, like, you want to get more volume, and you know, play with it until you get the result that you want.
Then I tell her me she give her never trust another nigga. I say she give me pon the nigga.
And yeah, that's basically all you have to do. I hope you guys like this video. I hope you guys found it as informative as I think it is. I'm not sure. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to comment down below if you have any question. Check the description box for all the products that I used. And yeah, see you on my next video. Love you guys a lot. Lot of kisses, besitos. Mwah. See you on my next video.
Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Pon me yard, say she give me pon me yard. In a yard, say she give me in a yard. Man, I want say she give me.